Yo, what's going on? I was looking at the flow after hours and scrolling through some of the things I may have missed or overlooked, and I found this play on CPE. It's Callon Petroleum Company. They were buying the 36 calls and the 38 calls for 519. It looks like it just retested this trend line that it created. If I move it up a little bit better, it'll have more than one touch, but potential for a trend line forming on it. It's got earnings in 9 days coming up, so maybe it runs up going into earnings, or they just want the IV increase going into earnings, even if it goes sideways, essentially. But I'd like to see it reclaim 3620 right here on this high volume area, and then maybe it can come up, test the top around 3852, and if it breaks that, then maybe you could see further upside. But if it comes up and rejects that, I wouldn't be interested in getting in this play, or if it just chops sideways going into earnings either. So yeah, that's a play on CPE for 519. So the next potential play I noticed after hours was SONO was getting some call activity as well near the close. They're an electronic company that reports earnings in 16 days. They were buying the June 16th 22.5 calls. So maybe expecting more upside from here, or come down, retest this trend line that it's touched previously 1, 2, 3 times. And then if it pushes up, I would look for a take out this local high right here around 2085, 2086 area. Maybe come and fill this gap up to 21. It's not very high up there, but it's got this little mini gap. And then at least test these highs, maybe take them out, and then I'm not sure from there where we're going to go. I've never traded this company, or not sure what they do or what their balance sheet is or anything like that. I just follow some flow plays every now and then and check them out and see if they look good or not.